We'll guide you through how to use Vercel Agent. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Vercel website. Make sure you're logged into your Vercel account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see all your projects listed. To use Vercel Agent, you'll first need to have the Vercel CLI installed. Open your terminal and run the command npm install -g vercel if you haven't already. This will globally install the Vercel CLI on your system. Now, head back to your terminal and navigate to the root directory of your project. Once there, run the command vercel init. This will initialize the Vercel agent in your project. You might be prompted to log in, so follow any instructions that appear. Once the initialization is complete, you'll have a new vercel.json file in your project directory. Open this file in your code editor. Here, you can define configurations like build commands, environment variables, and other settings that suit your deployment needs. With the configuration set, you can now run vercel dev in your terminal. This command starts a local development server that mimics the Vercel environment. It's a great way to test your application locally before deploying it. To deploy your project, simply run the command vercel deploy. This will deploy your project to Vercel and provide you with a unique URL. Make sure to check the Vercel dashboard for deployment logs and details. If you encounter any issues, the logs will be helpful in troubleshooting. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.